It's Bonnie. Happy Sunday. Oh my gosh. I got like all seasons going on here. I got Halloween in the background. I'm wearing a Christmas shirt because I got to start talking about Avon jewelry, you guys. Oh my gosh. I am so excited about the Avon jewelry collection for Christmas. I just picked up this crushed abalone pendant. I am loving this. This is actually a really nice fall piece. It is currently online in the website. You can purchase this. I will put the link below. It is $17.99. There is also a ring. The earrings are actually waitlisted, and then there's a watch. The watch is a little perplexing. It's not crushed abalone, but the watch band is green and it matches like the set, so that's kind of neat. But I'm super thrilled about this. This is a 16-inch necklace. I will put screenshots up of this too. What I like about this is that it has a really pretty iridescent shine to it. Let me take this off, show you the chain here. Um, the chain is one of the no tangle chains, and this is what the pendant looks like. Super, super pretty. So, you know me, I'm a huge Harry Potter fan, and I like to get jewelry that is like kind of Harry Potter inspired. And I do feel like this really fits. This to me looks like a pensive. What a pensive would look like. I love the kind of mystical iridescent shine. There's a little bit of cracking on the surface, but it's really smooth. I was actually worried when I ordered this. I didn't want it to be rough, but it's not. It's totally smooth on the surface. And I've had this for a couple of days. I've gotten multiple compliments from family members. I love this necklace. This is like my favorite fall necklace. I like the silver. So I will definitely be wearing this for the fall season. But I just wanted to start talking about some of the Avon jewelry. I have ordered a few of the Christmas pieces. I love costume jewelry. I'm someone who I really don't like expensive jewelry. I'm always worried I'm going to lose it. I'd rather get multiple costume jewelry pieces than like one expensive piece. I like having more than one. So anyway, if you have this one, let me know. This is what the back looks like. And then, like I said, this is the front. I'm super thrilled with it. I'm loving it, you guys. I will be back with more Avon jewelry reviews for the holiday season. I gotta switch back to Halloween now. I gotta take off my Christmas shirt. We're not there yet. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button on Beauty Geek. I am an online Avon rep, and all of my information is down below. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.